At number 1, we have the ThermoMaven P2. This is the best meat thermometer on the market and stands out with its exceptional precision through 6 integrated temperature sensors and 30% thinner probes that deliver NIST traceable accuracy. The dual probe system enables simultaneous monitoring of 2 different meats, measuring internal temperatures up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit and ambient temperatures up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit. Its connectivity features include Bluetooth 5.3 with a 500-foot range and unlimited Wi-Fi capability, ensuring stable remote monitoring. The standalone base unit provides a large display and independent control functionality, eliminating the need to rely solely on a smartphone app, though a free companion app is available for enhanced monitoring features. The thermometer's durability is impressive with IPX8 waterproof probes that can withstand high cooking temperatures. The package includes 2 probes, a USB-C charging cable, and comes with a calibration certificate. A notable advantage is the 3-year warranty coverage, provided it's activated within 30 days of purchase. The device supports various cooking methods including grilling, roasting, smoking, frying, and baking, making it versatile for different culinary applications. So that sums up my top